I guess we'll just start on arena. I have 60 energy again. Interesting. Win streak incoming? Maybe. Rip. Anti-crit, nice. Alright, this is what I expected. Alright, oh my god, does that much? Okay, good to know, good to know. Now I know. I think I win. This should one-shot. Oh, this game's so OP. Let's go. I think this kills though. Good first game. Yes, sir. 2-4-20. Hello, Clark. How are you? Okay, he skips turn 1. It's only gonna need 2, probably. Alright, bird's gone. Nice. I think he hits both on my bird as well, so that's really good for me. Should last stand. Not even. I don't need it. Alright, he uses 4 cards on my bird. That's really nice. This is still alive. I can double nutcrack. Ooh, I'll take that. Get some damage. And then we just do this. Good crit. I should be okay. Can't chomp, so we're fine. Hello, Ebfi. How are you? Almost kills. Be fine. Kills next time. Top 1000 today? Oh. Wow, another grass snake combo. That's crazy. Okay, this guy also has a zigzag plant though, so I have to get rid of it really quick. Egg bomb. 2. Should kill. He played smart. He made sure my bird didn't die. That's fine. I can just disable him. So now he can't attack my bird. Post fights? Okay, no post fights. That's okay. Yeah, I think I try my best to keep it alive. I could go for this. I mean, even if I don't keep it alive, I can use the bird to to egg bomb the next turn and then just one-shot it with this. Oh, he went after the beast. Interesting. Oh, he got a crit. He got 2 crits, dude. No, that is not how it's supposed to work. I think I still win though. Oh shit, no, I can't do this if... You're so lucky, dude. You're so lucky. Let me get some crits back here. Crit. Yes, sir. Wow, another poison team. I'm just farming them, man. Feels so good. Pretty sure I just passed this turn. He could hit this, but I don't think he can kill it, right? Yeah, he doesn't have a Cerastes. Hopefully I draw Cuckoo so I can remove the stun. I don't think I even do this, huh? If he does go for my front, I don't want him to do too much damage, so I think I do it. Okay. Well, I have to use this now. That's really annoying. I think we still kill. We should still kill. 80, 100. Okay, we crit. I think it would have killed anyways. He would have been last stand, so that's even better for us though. We remove the stun, and then we just play these 3 cards over and over again. Actually, I don't even have to heal yet, right? Yeah, we'll just ensure that we get the other Bidens. Or the other spicy butt. Because we'll draw 1 more spicy. Actually, we already had a spicy butt, so I didn't have to do that. That's okay though. Okay, so now I can't chomp. So we just keep playing this over and over again, and we just win. Should just surrender. Yep, 10 win streak. We're almost there, guys. Almost top 1000. Probably disable Sirius, just in case he double Siriuses though. Well, I've met my match. I just try to kill this off, right? If he anesthetics again, it's fine. Because he's probably going to parasite, so I just spam everything. Yeah. Okay, that works. Oh shit, that is a huge crit actually. Like actually huge. Holy. V2 isn't even coming until next year. So you can't just assume that it's not going to be good in the next patch. Next patch is season 19. V2 is like season 20 or season 21. There's still a lot of time. Oh boy, we're in the long. Oh, okay. This is exactly the build that I gave you guys. Insane that it's up here. Super durable, love that control other teams' energy with both Aquas having Goda. Yes, sir. Oh, you have the Goda version, right? Yeah, that version is really good. It should kill, but I am a little scared it won't. Let's go. I can't believe you did that. That risk is too much, no? Yo, what's up, Haboy? What's the status of SLP today? What do you mean? Oh shit, maybe I should have drained by it. You can check on a price or on one of the sites. Okay, we should have enough armor to win. Because he's attacked down. Yeah. Oh my god, he crit. I almost lost that because of the crit. But we win. Let's go. Oh, it's finest again. Do I need to play this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I do. Okay. How many scholars do you have? We have 9. Oh no, we crit. He's gonna crit me back. Dude, I feel so bad for Finest. I keep critting against him. Holy shit. I don't think I have to heal yet either. Just in case he doesn't hit. Do I have to double cleanse? No, I don't. I don't. Okay, this is fine. I think I win this. So he can't cube bunny me. He can only Star Shuriken. I just have to double Biden's. Okay, he just quits. I overkilled again. Oh shit. Oh shit. Never mind. What the hell? Okay, note to self, play the... Dude, that was unexpected. This team comp just keeps critting. Hello? Perfect. No, I didn't want the bird to have cards. I want to sack the bird, always. Now we just win. Do I care about my bird in this matchup? Doesn't have a speed up, so maybe not. Or maybe I do. I have to skip again. I don't have any beast cards. Maybe I play this. I just need to make sure I don't die on the front. think I played all of that. You got rid of my soothing songs, but I don't think they matter this game right now until we get to this or even this. Dude, no beast cards, please. What's your rank? 2450 after this game? $24.70. Okay, this will live for sure. He has 3 energy. Can he one-shot this with 3 energy? I think he can. Unless I play this. But he has Ronin. Higher MMR, there's definitely matchups that are different. Do I keep this alive? I don't think I kill. I think he has 1 HP. Of course. Never mind. We're good. Let's go. I know, I haven't had this MMR since last season.